Okay, this is the fire elements, no? So again, this is made of recyclable materials and this is called Oishi plastic wrappers. Okay, isang mainit at tumalagablab na kaapoy sa inyo araw mga kagunas. So here again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your Neville RC, your Eco Queen. So this is the part 2 or the chapter 2. So since kahapon is na-flash na namin yung water. So this time guys, as you can see, medyo red po tayo ngayon. So let's flex our creation na fire element. So as you can see guys, no, nakikita nyo may hawak ko plastic wrapper. So familiar na po kayo sa Oishi. So kinakat ko po to kanina, bago lang po, kinakat ko yan. So again, since fire po yung elements natin, we will flex our finished product of our elemental queen of fire. So if i-flex na namin yung costume na nagawa namin in the finished product. So, ayan na po guys, no? So, ito na po yung ating finished product sa ating elemental queen, which is the fire. So, as you can see guys, dito po yung dito. So, i-zoom in po natin, no? So, mono to siya guys. So, nakita niyo yung kanang details kayong what's the intricate details nga nakita sa itong costume, which is the fire element. So, I will explain to you, no, kung saan siyang design na which is made of. So, as you can see guys, no, red na red po tayo ngayon. So, fire na fire, kasing init ng ating panahon. So, guys, okay, this part of the entire of the upper guys is made of recyclable materials. So as you can see, this is made of Oishi, the plastic wrapper. So madami pa yung process po paano namin yung ginawa. So inferno na trivias po sa lahat po. So pasensya na po, so matagal po na yung na-flex yung mga costume kasi hindi po talaga madali gawin. So sa Bisaya po guys, muli siya guys. Kaya again, nag-collect pa sa mga kuan, na masurafan, nagpan-fami, nagpag-process before ni siya ma-create. So ayan guys, no, so okay. Since nagkuha mo itong mga plastic wrappers, no, nagpa siya process guys, separate pang color, handmade pa siya nga saan siya pagka-fold. So again, back to sa itong costume guys, no, so as you can see guys, no, it's a very talaga rare. It's a very ang lakas ng dating niya, sobrang matapang kasi fire po kayo yung dating niya. So Yan po, yung design niya guys, no? So, maalafar po talaga yung design guys. So, ito again, this is made of plastic wrappers, recyclable. Galing po yan ng basura guys. So, as you can see, konti lang po yung mga crystal stones natin guys. Kasi, ayaw po natin matakpan yung entire details ng ating costume. So, may mga crystal clear po tayo dun. Yung mga red po, may crystal stones. Tsaka may red po yung big stones. So, ayan po guys. So, yung mga ano na po, yung mga 3D na po na ano guys, made of a molder po yan. So, as you can see. Ito, sana po guys no, super cool talaga siya. Ang laki ng ating fire ngayon. Diba? So, soon po, again, this is the part 2, na pati part 3, kaya ito pa rin siya i-flex. In whole set na siya guys, no? So, flex sa tanan ng pansin. Again, this is the part 2 of our 4 elemental queen. Natapos na tayong water, dito na sa fire. Susunod na po yung another elemental queen. So, ito guys, sana po magustuhan niyo po ang aming elemental queen. It's the fire. Diba? Again, this is made of plastic wrappers. So, guarantee po talaga guys, super tibay po yan guys. Hindi po, kahit anong gagawin po yan, super tibay, super pinaghirapan po talaga paano po ito ginawa. At saka, tibay, definitely, tibay guys, di po sa inyo pa-humble, pero amo dyan yung ka-proud. Okay, super tibay po siya. Again, no, at least nakatabang pata sa atong kalikasan, no, sa tugagan. Through pulot-pulot lang sa mga basura, you can create this kind of costumes. Again, thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to like, share, and of course, follow us. Again, this is your Neville RC po, your equip. So, see you next video at maraming salamat. Bye! So again, that's it for our Elemental Queen Fire. I hope nagustuhan po niya natin yung mga costume. Nagustuhan niyo po. Again, this is your Neville RC, your Eco Queen. And this is from Gonas Diseños, a home of unique and original creation. So again, don't forget to like and share, of course, follow food, no? For more video to come. So thank you so much again, and magandang araw.